G'day! In today's video I've got a Gigbayte G5, G5 KF. This particular one I believe is a Tom Fang model, like a rebadged kind of unit. Interestingly enough, on these screws here we have a screw for the keyboard. So if I smash out these screws here, all of which are of the same length, I'll open it up and we can see what can be upgraded in this. I suspect that RAM could be upgraded, NVMe's drive, Wi-Fi card, all the usual typical stuff, especially with this being potentially a Tom Fang chassis. I'm going to assume also the wireless card's an AX2111 or 211, which I think is an Intel card. There we go. That screw doesn't quite want to leave. Yeah, oh, we did leave. I think we're looking good. I don't know if there's another screw hidden under here. Now if I grab it from the back and just pull it forward, there we go. We are in. What do we see? We see one battery here, which is definitely fairly unique, which makes me definitely think Tom Fang. Mainly because I don't see batteries that shape whatsoever. The connection itself does seem to be fairly standard-ish. Now if I pop this off to if I pull both of these metal tabs out, the RAM should pop up like that. Pull it out. We have 8 gig of DDR3200. Now that should just slot in, so fairly low amount of RAM actually. If I put that down, if I spin it to the right, we have 1 NVMe slot, we have 2 NVMe slot. So you can have 2 NVMe's in here. Pull that out. Wiggle it out and have a look. We are a, what's that brand on there? A little bit of thermal pad on the back there. I'm going to assume 512. CA6-8D512. So a 512 gig SSD with the website SSST or TC. Can't really say I've heard of this particular brand. Ah, there we go. It's a brand I can't pronounce. KIOXIA. So no, those I have seen before. And to install them, we just kind of slide them in on pretty much a very minimal angle. Slide in, push down, do up screw, and then that is the SSD reinstalled. Pull that out. Do want to actually have a quick look at this SSD. Now I'm going to reinstall this back once more. So the slot's in, lays down, screw goes in. While we're here, I'll reconnect the battery. And this should slot back on relatively easily and just click back into position. There you go. Then from there, all those screws are of the same length, so just proceed to put all your screws back in and you should be pretty right. Hope that helps, and I'll see you later. Bye.